Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rohana. And today, we're diving into a detailed review of GetResponse, one of the leading all-in-one marketing platforms out there. Whether you're an email marketing newbie or a seasoned pro, you're going to want to stick around for this one. So, let's get into it. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers everything from email marketing, automation, and landing pages, to webinars and CRM tools. It's designed to help businesses of all sizes grow their audience, engage with customers, and ultimately drive sales. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the email marketing tool. GetResponse offers a really intuitive drag-and-drop email builder that makes it easy to create beautiful emails, even if you're not a designer. You've got tons of templates to choose from, and they're all mobile responsive, which is a big plus. If you want to see how easy it is to create stunning emails, I've dropped a link in the description where you can try GetResponse free for 30 days, no credit card required. Now, if you're into automation, GetResponse has you covered with its marketing automation feature. You can create workflows that trigger actions based on user behavior, like sending a welcome email when someone subscribes or offering a discount if they haven't made a purchase in a while. It's super flexible and really powerful. And let's not forget the landing page builder and webinar tools. GetResponse lets you create high-converting landing pages in just a few clicks, and the webinar tool is perfect for hosting online events, whether you're running a live demo, training session, or just connecting with your audience. GetResponse boasts an industry-leading email deliverability rate, which means your emails are more likely to reach your subscribers' inboxes. On average, GetResponse users experience higher email open rates compared to other platforms, thanks to their sophisticated algorithms and personalized segmentation options. Now, let's talk pricing. GetResponse offers 4 main pricing plans: Basic, Plus, Professional, and Max. The Basic plan starts at $15 per month, and it scales up depending on the features you need and the size of your email list. For most small to medium businesses, the Plus or Professional plans are going to be the sweet spot, offering a good balance of features and cost. So, to wrap it up, GetResponse is a solid choice for anyone serious about digital marketing. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large list, there's something here for you. If you're interested, I dropped a link in the description where you can try GetResponse for free for 30 days, no credit card required. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.